Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1208 named get equals substring within budget. In this problem, we are given two strings s and t of the same length and an integer named maximum cost. Now, we want to change s to t, and changing the ith character of s and to the ith character to the t, it will take absolute value of s of I minus s of t cost, which is the absolute difference between the ASCII values of the characters. That means, suppose the difference of A and C is 2, and the difference of A and B is 1. Now, we have to return the maximum length of a substring of S that can be changed to the same as the corresponding substring of T with a cost less than or equal to maximum cost. If there is no substring from S that can be changed to its corresponding substring from T, then we have to return 0. Now here, in the first example, the S is ABCD and the T is BCDF. Now here, maximum cost is 3. So here, if we change ABC with BCD, it will be cost 3 because to upgrade A to B, the cost is 1. To upgrade B to C, the cost is 1. To upgrade C to D, the cost is 1. So here the maximum length is 3. So we have to return 3 as well. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the problem, we have taken this example. The first string contains ABCD and the next string contains BCDF, and maximum cost will be 3. So here, let's take a window and try to solve this problem by using the sliding window technique. This is our window. Now, we have to convert B to A, and the difference will be 1. So, for this window, the difference will be 1. Now, we have to expand our window into this position. So here, we have to convert C to B. So the difference will be once again 1. So in total, there will be 2 differences. Now, it is less than 3 as well. Okay, so far so good. Now we have to take another window. So we have to convert D to C. So the difference will be again plus 1, which will be 3. Okay. Now, let's expand the window here. Again, we have to convert F to D if we want to make these two strings equal. So here, the summation will be 3 plus 2, which is 5. Now, 5 is definitely greater than 3. So we have to shrink our window. That means we have to shift our left pointer 1 unit to the right side. So here, by doing this, we have to simply subtract the difference of A and B, which will be 5 minus 1, which will be 4. Now, 4 is greater than 3, so we cannot take consideration this window. So again, we have to shrink the window here. And again, subtract 1 from 4, and it will become 3. Now, this is the basic algorithm. Basically, we have to take a window, basically variable size window, and we have to simply shift this window to the right side. And if the differences of the sum is greater than our given integer, we have to shrink our window to the left side. And here, let's see, we have found this window and this 3 window where the difference sum is less than 3. And what is the maximum? The maximum size which will be 3 here. So for this, we have to simply return 3 as well. And I hope you understood the algorithm. Now the overall time complexity of this problem is big O of n. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. Now we are given a function named equal substring, which has 2 of the string s and t as a parameter and maximum cost as another parameter. Now we are initializing the answer variable to 0 and the variable I and j with 0 as well, which is the 2 pointers, and the current sum, which will be 0. Now we are running this loop until j pointers become out of bound, and we are adding the difference of s of I or s of j with t of j to the sum. And here, if sum is greater than maximum cost, we have to repetitively decrement the difference between absolute value of s of I and t of I with sum and increase the I. After that, if the sum is less than or equal to maximum cost, that means we have found the answer. So here the answer will be maximum of answer and j minus I plus 1. Finally, we have to increment the value j. At last, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.